And it says cool trains in Montreal. Here I am at the station at Lucien, the brand new, not even a year old canopies. At around 4:20 p.m. and there you can see new CRRC cars in the silver EXO scheme. And there will be a train coming in too. So it's the 10th of October 2025. And it looks like it might be a Verdroy train coming in. And they've got some maintenance of way equipment here. This looks like a tamper. Maybe they're going to rebuild the track here. Canadian Pacific owns this one. Wasn't expecting this to be here. Quite an interesting machine. Anyway, we have another train coming in. Probably the Candiac train. Here's another machine that they have here. It looks like they're going to fix this track here because it really dies. This is for ballast, it looks like. And you can see here the track quality drops completely to nothing. But they may be fixing that. And I got another one. Another Vador train, I guess, coming in. I arrived here just at the right time. All the trains are coming in now. And the CRRC train is leaving. This is going to Saint-Jérôme. As you can see, they rebuilt these platforms so they aligned with the CRRC car doors so that it's level boarding. But they're still not using the chargers. EXO has brand new charger locomotives too to work that look exactly like those train sets. So they're not in service yet, as it looks like. And as you can see, this is right by the Bell Center where they play hockey. You're going to give props to EXO for doing this, for putting up these canopies. It looks a lot classier. It looks a lot better than it did. This place looked like it was falling apart. In older videos you'd see it. But this looks really great. I'll give them props for that. I just noticed the new refurbished platforms also line up with these Bombardier multi-level coaches as well, so that's a good thing too. And there we got an General Motors Canada GMD, General Motors Diesel, built in London, Ontario, F59 PHI, pushing this. So basically an all-Canadian passenger train set, which we should be going back to in light of how things are going with certain trade partners. Alright, so I don't think there's going to be any trains moving for a little while now, so I'm going to wrap it up now. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And I'll have more videos here from different places around Montreal, including Lucien Terminal.